I'm going to teach you how to take this shirt, put it in Procreate, and make a fun design with it. I already took a picture of my shirt. Now I'm going to the wrench. I'm going to go to Add and Insert Photo. Now I'm going to go in my camera roll and insert the photo of my shirt. That's step one. I'm going to go to the layer with the picture, click on the N, and then that's the opacity, and I'm going to turn the opacity down and watch this picture get louder and louder and louder so I can still see it, and then I can trace over it. Now this is going to be one of the most important steps I tell you today, so listen carefully. You want to make a new layer now, and you just start tracing. Let's drop some color in here. And we've got a pattern that we designed from our clothing. Thanks for watching. I hope this lesson was helpful. Make sure you follow me, and I'll be teaching you more lessons, so stay tuned. Plus, I have a membership group if you're interested in learning more.